Turnkey pneumatic press stations with integrated press force monitoring. These presses are designed and built in Germany to ensure precision assembly, high repeatability, and minimal deflection. Integrated force and stroke sensors ensure every press is accurate and repeatable. The Burster Digiforce press force monitoring provides signature analysis for 100% quality control on each press operation. Capable of handling strokes up to 120 millimeters, with forces up to 60 kN. Dual-hand safety controls guarantee complete operator safety. Detects tight or loose fits, identifies mismatched parts, and ensures parts are fully seated to their assembly specifications. These systems also offer data collection capabilities, complete with barcode scanning. We customize press configurations to fit our customers' application requirements, from different frame sizes to fit your tooling, force control, and variable speed control. Our presses can be adapted to meet the demands of your process. Start consistently producing better parts with Tech Instruments, turnkey pneumatic press systems, where precision assembly meets undeniable value. All you need to do is add your tooling and start assembling with confidence.